So I have the nail bond glue here. It is for press-on nails like I have here. These have been on a few days and I can tell you that this glue works. Um, I have had no nails pop off or anything like that. I did have one nail that I needed to repair because it did get ripped, but the glue itself held the nail on so well. So I'm going to show you how I put the glue on my finger and on the nail, and then how I put it all together and why these work so well. So as you can see, I have a nail here and we have the nail bond glue. So what I'm going to do first, and this is on my right hand, so I'm using my left hand. It's going to be a little bit awkward, but what I do first is I apply the nail bond gel to my nail directly. Just make sure I get it all coated. Then for some added support, I take the base of the nail that I'm putting on and I put it there. Now this can be the tricky part when using the hand that you don't usually write with, is getting it on straight. So I'm going to put it on there and hold it for a few seconds. And it's good to hold like a good pressure on the nail. But I can already feel that that nail is really stuck on. We're going to hold it a few more seconds. We'll close this so we don't have any spills. And just like that, no issues. It feels really secure. It looks really secure. It works like a charm. So I would definitely recommend this. The super glue that comes with a lot of the press-on nails, once you wash your hands in warm water, the nails pop off. This definitely holds that nail a lot firmer, a lot tighter. So 10 out of 10 would recommend.